So you're gonna get hit on by 4 guys at the Tampa RV Show this year?
Oh, no. Make sure to stay to the end so you can see exactly what Izzy is talking about. And for those of you that are new here, I'm MJ, this is Izzy, we are Endless RVing. We're the channel that brings you the best in RV DIYs, product reviews, RV tours, and so much more.
If you're new to the channel, we invite you to subscribe below, hit the notification bell, and if you're back for another video, we thank you for joining us. So today is all about the 2021 Tampa RV Show, aka the Florida RV Super Show. Now we went there last year for the first time, and it's really an awesome event. We will be there again this year. So for those of you that don't have ERV merchandise, go out and get some so we can pick you out from the crowd. So in this video, we are going to give you all the details of what to expect at the 2021 Tampa RV Show.
All right, let's get into this, guys. So we're gonna give you the details of the dates first. Industry Day, if you will be there for Industry Day, that is Tuesday, January 12th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and we will be there for that. The next is the Public Day, so that opens on Wednesday, January 13th, runs through January 17th, Sunday. Now the hours for that Wednesday through Saturday are 9 to 6, and the Sunday is 9 through 5. So the location, I'm just checking my notes here. The location is the Florida State Fairgrounds, which is 4800 US Highway 301 North in Tampa, Florida. The cost for this is $12 per adult. That is going to give you a second day admission free. All right, so that's kind of cool if you're going multiple days, which we are. Children under 16 are free, which is great. Now they also have senior citizen days. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are senior citizen days where you get $2 off the cost of admission.
So there's additional discounts for military and first responders. That's $2 off of what MJ just told you. Also, daily parking is $8 per day for car, $16 for an RV. Now, I don't know what qualifies as an RV. So if you have a Class B and you don't think that's an RV, I don't know. So fight that out with the people at the front gate. Well-behaved dogs are, I guess, encouraged and welcome on leash. There was actually a lot of dogs there.
A lot of dogs last year. Some behaved, some not.
Just keep in mind, it can get hot there. So the weather's a little crazy. Last year it was pretty warm. I don't know.
Well, it was record-setting last year.
Yeah, I don't know
like
if we would
the
take our
mid-80s.
dogs in something that warm.
Yeah.
There is overnight parking available. It's handled by the Florida State Campgrounds. It's $20 a day. That's boondocking, okay? No electricity, no water, no dump, nothing. And that does not include the tickets to get inside the show.
So they have a host hotel. It's the Sheraton Tampa East. It is $139 a night. And if you call there, just make sure you say that you're staying there for the Tampa show. All right, so they know that, so you get that discounted rate. Although that's a discount.
Yeah, well, they say it's a discount.
Yeah, but there's plenty of other area hotels around there, so you can search through and if you want to stay somewhere else.
So manual and electric wheelchairs are available for rent. I don't know what the price is. Now, this is a really big RV show. The biggest one we've been to Hershey, a bunch of local ones, but there's a lot of walking involved. So we like it, you know, because we walk a lot. But with that being said, ladies, this is not the show to look cute in with the high heels. I mean, you can do that, but you're probably going to be being wheeled around after an hour or so. Guys, construction boots, cowboy boots, probably not recommended. Just wear something comfortable. Yeah. Whatever works for you.
Right.
There are a lot of people. I don't know how that's going to be this year with the whole COVID thing, but we would expect there to still be a lot of people. So just keep that in mind, especially Friday, Saturday, there's a lot of people there. So when we went last year, we went during the week, and then we did do part of the weekend. There was a significant difference on the amount of people there during the week and the weekend.
All right, I mean, I'm sure there's gonna be a ton of people, but I think we'll see the numbers a little bit lower. I know some people, some subscribers said they're not going because of the situation, but we will be wearing our masks. So if you see us, you'll see the logo, but unless we're in an open area. But
I'll be wearing my mask. So here's a forewarning. If we take video with mask on, don't leave it in the comments, please. I don't want to hear
we're wearing masks.
Don't tell us if you see us there that we have a mask. We're wearing a mask, okay? Plain and simple. Don't like it, then I don't know what to say.
Yes, the face diaper, that's a big con. I take off the face diaper. No, we're going to wear them where we feel comfortable. So that's, I'm sure, won't be a rule there in Tampa, you know, like in New Jersey.
I don't know what their rules are. They may, I don't know. So this show, one of the reasons why we really like it is because almost all the manufacturers, the major manufacturers are represented there. Not only that, most of the lines, floor plans that each manufacturer has. So for example, when we went to Hershey in 2019, because 20 didn't happen, we'll just talk about Newmar. Newmar was represented only up to the Dutch Star, I think.
The map, they didn't have a map?
No, the Dutch Star and the New Air. That's what
okay,
that.
okay.
Now in Tampa, they had everything.
All
They
the way
had
up.
every single one up to the King Air, the Supreme Air, all of them. And we found that to be the same for almost all the manufacturers.
Right.
They also have the really high-end coaches, which Hershey didn't have. So the Featherlights and the Marathon Coach and
Travel.
Newell's there, Ford Travel, they're all there under one roof. And you can actually walk on these things.
Yes,
so,
with your shoes off for most of them.
right, so you could have the opportunity to step on, you know, a $2.8 million coach, which you don't see too often, and when you do see it, probably don't want you to step on it. So that's kind of cool also.
Oh, one little thing. Don't bring your pet on one of these
Don't do that.
$2.5 million coaches and let them scratch on the couch. I saw that last year. That was interesting.
Don't let your kids climb. Well, I'll tell you on another RV show. Don't let your kids slam the fireplace glass and shatter it. That's not
Oh
cool
my God,
either.
yes. Why do we love this show and why we will never miss this show? It is a blast. Hershey's cool. Tampa is just takes it to another notch. It's like a circus. You've got walking plants going around. You have singers. You have, what else did they have? They had
It's very festive.
Oh, it's so
They have a lot of
much
characters.
fun.
They had
Yes.
the drums, you remember?
Yes,
the bagpipes and drums.
Yeah. So it's just fun. Besides, and they have way more food too. Hershey was pretty limited with food choices. We had no problem, you know, we're vegan, so we had no problem eating there. It was great. The cool thing that we mentioned in the beginning, so I was kind of snatched up by a barbershop quartet and they sang to me last year. It was the coolest thing. Now, I love barbershop music. I'm kind of old school that way. We were watching them sing and they said, come on, and they put me right in the middle at a barbershop quartet sandwich and they sang to me. I think Izzy was a little jealous.
I hope they have that robot again this year. Remember the robot?
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
That
the king of the one-liners. He was like the salty dog of
Yeah.
robots. It was kind of, he's pretty funny. So
It's just a ton of fun.
yeah, it's a ton of fun, and it's in Tampa, so you're close to Clearwater, and there's a lot of nice restaurants, and it's just cool.
If you see us, please make sure to stop and say hello. And again, if you're wearing your merch, we'll be able to pick you out, but please, like I said, just say hello.
So we do plan on having a, somewhat meetup for the insiders first. And then we are also, we will be out and about at the show. So like MJ said, certainly stop us if you wish.
We'll be there from Wednesday through Saturday.
So in the comments below, let us know, will you be attending the 2021 Florida RV Super Show, AKA Tampa RV Show? Put it in the comments below. Also let us know, have you been to that RV show? Do you feel there's one that's better out there? I don't know. They say Hershey's the greatest one. I
don't think so.
And Hershey's much
It's
closer
cool.
for us.
It is.
So we thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.